In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Effects Library and OpenFX categories in DaVinci Resolve 20 step by step so you can quickly find transitions, titles, filters, and creative plugins without wasting time scrolling through every menu. Whether you're brand new to Resolve or you just want a faster workflow, this is one of the most useful panels to understand. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Edit page by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This is where you'll be working with your timeline, editing clips, and adding effects. Once you're on the Edit page, look to the top left corner of the interface and find the Effects button. Click it, and that will open the primary effects panel. Now that the Effects Library is open, you'll see several categories in the sidebar. Click the Toolbox category to reveal the built-in Resolve tools. This is where DaVinci Resolve organizes many of its essential creative elements, including video transitions, titles, generators, and filters. If you're trying to build a polished edit, this panel is going to become one of your best friends. Let's start with video transitions. Expand the video transition section to browse the professional cut point effects available in Resolve. Here you'll find options like cross dissolves, iris transitions, and motion transitions. These are the kinds of effects you can use to smooth out edits, create energy between clips, or make scene changes feel more cinematic. To use one, you can simply drag it onto a cut point in your timeline. Next, click the Title section. This is where you'll find different text and graphic templates for adding on-screen elements to your videos. You'll see options like Text, Text Plus, and Fusion Title templates. Text is great for quick labels, while Text Plus and Fusion Titles give you more advanced control over motion, styling, and animation. If you want your video to look more professional, this is where you can add lower thirds, callouts, and animated title cards. Now let's move into the OpenFX category in the sidebar. This section gives you access to more advanced visual effects and hardware-accelerated plugins. OpenFX is where you'll find tools that can dramatically change the look of your footage, whether you want subtle enhancement or a more stylized effect. This is one of the most powerful parts of the Effects Library because it gives you access to a wide range of creative tools beyond the basic built-in options. Inside OpenFX, click the Filters subcategory to find specific stylistic tools. Here you can browse effects like Gaussian Blur, Glow, and Lens Reflections. These filters are perfect for creating atmosphere, softening a shot, adding shine, or giving your footage a more polished visual style. Just like transitions and titles, you can drag these effects directly onto clips in your timeline to apply them. If you don't want to scroll through the full library, use the search icon at the top of the effects panel. Click it and type in a keyword for the tool you want. This instantly filters the entire library so you can find exactly what you need much faster. For example, if you type blur, glow, or title, Resolve will narrow down the available options and save you a lot of time. Another helpful feature is Live Media Preview. Hover your mouse cursor over any transition or title thumbnail and you'll see a preview of the effect in the viewer. This is super useful because it lets you see how something will look before you add it to your edit. Instead of guessing, you can quickly compare effects and pick the one that fits your project best. And if there are effects you use all the time, you can keep them close by using favorites. Just click the star icon next to any effect name to add it to your favorites folder. That way, your most used transitions, titles, or filters will be easy to find right at the top of the list whenever you need them. So to recap, the Effects Library in DaVinci Resolve 20 is where you'll find your transitions, titles, generators, filters, and OpenFX tools all in one place. Once you learn how to navigate it, your editing speed improves dramatically, and it becomes much easier to create polished videos without searching through endless menus. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.